to find the value of the trigonometric function sine minus 11 pi by 3. Okay, so sine minus 11 pi by 3 is equal to what? So first of all, just think about this particular angle. It's in radians and its value is negative. So what does a negative angle mean? A negative angle just means that instead of our conventional moving path in the anti-clockwise direction, this is positive. So when we have negative angles, while we are moving around this circle, we move in the opposite clockwise direction. So these are negative angles. Okay. Now that we've understood what negative angle means, let's focus on the question. So minus 11 pi by 3 can be broken down in terms of negative 2 pi, right? So if you go around this circle fully once in the anti-clockwise direction, we cover a 2 pi radian angle. If you go around the same circle in the clockwise direction, then we cover a negative 2 pi radian angle. Minus 11 pi by 3 can be broken down in terms of minus 2 pi in the following way. So this is minus 2 pi minus 2 pi plus pi by 3, right? So in essence, when we want to move minus 11 pi by 3 around this circle, what we'll do is we'll first move around minus 2 pi radians. Okay, so that part is covered. Next we'll move around again. Next we'll move around again minus 2 pi radians, so in the clockwise direction. So this part is covered. We are here now currently, and then we move plus pi by 3, which means we'll move in this direction plus pi by 3 radians, and finally, so since we started moving from here, plus pi by 3 will be somewhere here. So this angle is plus pi by 3. Okay, so we're here now. So in essence, sine negative 11 pi by 3, you can write it as sine pi by 3, because after full revolution around the circle in the anti-clockwise direction and then clockwise, we have arrived at this point, right? And sine pi by 3 is equal to root 3 by